What fucking country was that? Can't remember, it was fucking the USA, right? Fucking like thousands of Marines gave their lives in the Pacific on fucking God-forsaken islands. This I'd like to dedicate to Nunslaughter and to Misery Index for, you know, the equipment and the guitars. So give them an applause. Thank you very much. This is... Thank you. This is for every fucking brave GI and Marine that died in the Pacific. This is Encore.